Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to rent a bike in Goa. So many of you have commented and asked me if bike shops are open right now. Yes, they are open, and I'll be showing you a shop here in Panjim city, which is in Goa, and the prices and everything, all the details, whatever is required. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of videos on Goa and things to do here and how to get around and what's open and what's not, and all the latest updates of Goa, guys. So if you have any questions, you can comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you, because I'm a local, so I can give you the best information free of cost. So let's go and check out the shop over here in Panjim, guys. Okay guys, so this is the shop here in Panjim. The name of the shop is Heera. These are the numbers which you can contact. So the shop is, how do I tell you? Okay, so this over here is the post office, which is in Panjim city. So, and this is the old post office over here. So if you ask anybody where's the Panjim post office, you will find this shop. So it is right over here. So they have many of these renter bikes, which are the ones with the yellow number plate. Okay, and they have many more over there. So whichever bike you require, they will arrange and get you. Okay, so let's just go to the shop and see the procedure. Okay, so sir, hello. Yeah, so this is Mangesh sir. Okay, he's the owner of this shop. Okay, and this is his son. Okay, so, yeah, so okay, we'll talk to him about the procedure. So if you're renting the bike, you have to fill this form, right? Yeah. Okay, so what is this? Okay, so
rent a bike.
So this is the form that you have to fill. Okay, and over here these are all the details that are required. Okay, what's the price for?
250 per day.
250 per day.
Any bike,
Okay.
Activa, Access, Jupiter, like scooter, everything. Depend upon season. If there is season, some price will go high.
Okay, so at the moment it is 250 per day for any bike. Okay, okay. So guys, we're just going to see the bike. Okay, they have this bike available, and as I said, they have many other bikes over there which are Activas and everything. Okay, so that's a very good price. Usually it's much more. So one thing to know is, when you're renting a bike, always make sure you do a video of the whole bike. Like if there are any scratches or anything on the bike, then you know, and when you give it back, nobody's going to blame you and say, okay, you did this or you did that. So all the bikes have guards, so that if any damage happens, then you don't have to pay for it, guys. So yes, that is the bike shop over here, and that is 250 rupees a day, guys. So guys, let's just talk about the finer details now. Is you have to pay about 500 to 1000, which is a deposit fee, which is refundable. Depends on how many days you're taking the bike, and if it is in season time or it is off season, accordingly they will tell you the deposit fee. And also you have to have a license. It's very important to have a license. You have to have the original license. Also you'll have to have any other ID proof, like an Aadhaar card or a PAN card or any other ID proof, which they will Xerox and keep. These are the two documents that you will require. And yes, that is basically how you will rent a bike here in Goa, guys. So that is a very simple procedure. These people are very friendly, so if you have any questions, you can contact them. All their numbers are going to be down below, and I will also put the Google Maps location so you can find them easily. So this is if you want to rent a bike in Panjim city, guys.